Let's talk about this problem. This question has a lot of words, so let's kind of break it down. We have some students who are in a classroom, they're performing some science experiments, okay? While they're doing that, they're making some observations. So they've got two different solutions, so two different maybe liquids that they're mixing together. We want the one that has the least evidence that a chemical reaction has occurred. So we're looking for the answer choice that doesn't really give us a sign of a chemical reaction. Okay, so let's take a look at A. A says bubbles began to form when the solutions were mixed. Well, we know that bubbles mean, that's not very bright. We know that bubbles mean a chemical change, right? So that's pretty strong evidence. Bubbles is pretty strong evidence that a chemical change is happening. So let's look at B. The solutions were slow to mix because they had different densities. Well, did we talk anything about evidence of a chemical change having anything to do with the densities of the solutions? No, so let's go back to that. That might be our answer. C says after the solutions mixed, a change in color was observed. Well, we know that when it changes color, it's a chemical reaction. Okay, so that's pretty strong evidence. Change in color is strong evidence of a chemical reaction. D says an increase in temperature. Well, we know whenever two things are mixed together, if it gets warmer, an increase in temperature, that's a chemical change. So that, again, is strong evidence. So the only one that doesn't have strong evidence of a chemical change is B.